on, everybody. Let the baking begin.
Oh, my God. I got this. I got this. Yes!
It's like a bubbling cauldron.
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Arresto memento.
The detailing on this is incredible.
Our gravity-defying element, the classic basilisk fang.
The portrait of Dumbledore transforms to the portrait of Snape.
Wow. Say hello to the man who brought Grip Hook to life, Warwick Davis. Please welcome Bonnie Wright. What's up, sis? Evanna Lynch.
I cannot wait to see what you make.
It's a nice texture inside the moosiness. That word in cooking, moosiness?
It is now. It is, of course, the Phoenix.
Wow.
I love the technique, guys. That is magical.
I taste your heart.
Oh, my God.
It's time to crown our champions.